Listen up, class. We're cleaning my room today. First things first, we're gonna light a candle with our rechargeable lighter. This thing is amazing. Okay, so my room is a complete disaster. I have clothes all over the place. We're in the process of washing sheet, and I have the hiccups. So this is currently the situation that's going on in my closet. And I can't even tell you how embarrassing this is. So today we are going to tackle this and clean my closet. Yeah, I can't even walk in there. It's like really bad. And then I also have some more clothes, like a whole pile over here I need to put away. I have some clothes drying right now, as you can see. And then, yeah, basically doing laundry. So we're washing the sheets, and then next we're gonna wash the comforters. There are quite a few things that I need to just like donate and get rid of. And then basically this will help me kind of go through everything, see what I have and what I don't really wear anymore. So that's what I'm gonna do. A little overwhelming, so wish me luck. Here we go. We are gonna put on some Christmas jams and get this cleaning started. So a fun organizing hack that I absolutely love is using a shoe organizer over my door to use for other things like sports bras, socks, swimsuits, stuff like that. And also I have this little jewelry holder, except for I need a way better organization for my jewelry because it's just horrible. Same with my sunglasses. I need to like totally make over my whole closet. I really want to do like the IKEA closet makeover that a lot of people have been doing lately. I just right now don't have the time for that. So I'm making do with what I have and kind of just organizing the best I can with the space that I have. So if you guys have any ideas or suggestions, let me know down in the comment section below. But right now I am just trying to hang up all my clothes and go through everything. Like one of those jackets still had the tag on it. I got it from the thrift store. It was a Jessica Simpson, what is it called? I don't know the style of that, but anyway, it was only like $9.99, but I've never even worn it. I'm like, what should I do? Do I keep it? Do I donate it back? I don't know. Anyway, I really need to go through all my clothes, but I really needed to put away a lot of stuff. Also, these little jars, I think I'll try to link all this stuff on my Amazon storefront. So in the description box, I always have a link to my Amazon storefront, and then a lot of the stuff that you guys see in the videos that you ask where they're from, I will link there. So like these little coin jars are really cool. They keep track of like actually how much money is in there, which is really fun. And then like the over the door shoe organizer, I've used that in my bathroom before also to like put a lot of my bathroom supplies or like makeup. It's really cool because it's clear, so you could see everything. It's like a way better way of like storing things and not forgetting like you have stuff. Like I used to overbuy things all the time because I didn't know that I already had them. But with that clear organizer, especially in the bathroom, I never overbuy. It's like really awesome. I would highly recommend it. Again, we'll try to link that down below. And now I'm just like organizing the shit out of my closet. So enjoy.
Well, I'm all for Christmas. All the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
So now I am just vacuuming my closet up, and I don't know if you guys have ever used a Dyson before, but they are the greatest vacuum ever made on planet Earth, and I absolutely love mine. It is in the storefront. It literally makes vacuuming fun. So I want to vacuum like everything in my house when I have a vacuum. It's cordless. It's awesome. It makes vacuuming fun. Like I never, ever, ever thought I would say that I like vacuuming, but with the Dyson, I really like it. And this is totally not sponsored at all. I just love my vacuum. Now I'm just putting everything back and away, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's all done. Okay, you guys, mission complete. We freaking did it. It took a really long time. It is like late now, but my closet is totally clean and all organized. I didn't really get a chance to go through all my clothes to figure out like what to donate, but I did get a few things out, and then I'll probably do a video. I've been wanting to do one where I basically try on everything in my closet for like a video idea. I thought it would be kind of different. I don't know, I don't think I've seen it before on YouTube, and I also think it'd be a good way to find out like what I want to get rid of. So definitely let me know if you guys want to see that video down below in the comment section. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of me decluttering and cleaning my closet. I am sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in my next video.